So this is the preview for 23rd of December. Today is 22nd. Most of the price action has already unfolded. So we'll look at what's possibly setting up. So Dixie is still a little bit muddy. So we've taken out yesterday's highs. I don't have any much confidence where this one is going. But anyway, we do not trade this. But Uh, this looks mad. If you zoom out here a bit, there is still some unfinished business. Shall it continue dropping lower? So these are equal lows in here, basically from 16th of June and 14th of December. It's quite a tight range, so what we can glean from, if you look on the 4 hour, it's really quite muddy. If we do discard this candle though, it's looking more bullish, I would say, than bearish, and the reason why is so if we draw the FVG here, so this is with the order block, so that's why it's important. But because price taught here, we will actually highlight this area here. So the fact that we've taken this low here, and now we have an order block actually, which probably gonna leave a fair value gap as well. I think you can mark it up. This is that, and we look to see basically if it wants to continue higher. Maybe even this 1 hour candle can actually hold the price up. So we'll just notice that these lows were indeed taken. So let's see. Again, we don't trade this on its own, so we'll see what else we can couple this with. So if you look on the daily, so New Zealand had a strong down day yesterday. Looks like we're gonna close below this fair value gap created, yeah, in November. And now, actually, we will remove this here. So order flow does seem to be bearish, and we will stick with that until proven otherwise. So what we can see is that we did trade above this high, and then now we are moving, lower. So let's see if it can continue doing so. Now, don't want to be too vigorous with the target, but if we are continuing to move lower, we have to watch the this low here of the volume imbalance. So this would be target 1. Yeah, you can say it's bearish. Yeah, we leave this here. And the other target would be maybe even if you take out, this low from here. But yeah, tomorrow is Friday, so we don't have um, too crazy expectations. Now, what's important here is this around this level here. So we want to see if we can come back up for a daily immediate rebalance. So this level is important. Let's do that. Red means that it's premium and the price should respect that. And it also looks like it's an above, previous today's candle body, but we don't know, of course, until the day fully closes. But where that is. But we look at this level, so 6277 is interesting. So we can say watch 6277. Again, let's see if we had that correct. Yeah, yeah, can. And we can set an alert there as well. 2, 7, Um, yeah. So that's that. Now, if you look on the 4 hour, let's see if that aligns with something. Yes, obviously previous day's low. This and see on the 1 hour, it's also actually so there's a nice confluence there, and nice. I will remove this fair value gap now, and we can actually plug in the minus negative, the fresh fair value gap. So we'll draw that out in time. Yeah. Now let's carry over these two onto the lower time frame as well. So if we can clean this up completely, we can just wait like this, and the levels appear. Yeah, so this is one to watch for tomorrow. But then again, we don't know how much we come back up in Asia, but this is noteworthy. We can also note this fair value gap from here to here on the M5. So let's do that. This is it for New Zealand dollar. Now, if you look at pound, what we can glean from this is bearish, and this is bearish. So this was the note yesterday. We closed below, so we remain bearish on this. We even traded actually below the volume imbalance here, which is noteworthy. So again, here we can now remove this, and what actually we are watching is if we can at least come back to previous days low, more to yesterday's low, let's say, for a retest. If I can actually zoom in, that's previous days low, and maybe this could be a clear target if we actually really want to draw down in there. Now let's see if on the 1 hour the this level aligns with something. And this a bit. I like this fair value gap above, just above. So let's see if it can give it to us. So we do here. Just this levels, but we will basically set the alert to see if it moved in here. So this is H1 FVG. Again, we drop this into the lower time frame. We can clear up everything here. We already documented what happened. So we are looking at this here. Interesting. So on the M5, it's not such a clear balance, but also report note on it that this is H1, H1, yeah, and we are bearish. So this is just so we know from which time frame does it come from, and this one is first day is low, so we also put that. Wednesday is low, sorry. Wednesday is right. So if the data range is last 3 days, so we are looking at Friday. So we want to see if Wednesday is low can push the price down, and also there is this 1 hour fair value gap here. Actually, let's crunch it down to be precise. Now, what else is interesting here is Yeah, so this level, what we're looking at pretty much, if we close somewhere where we are now, this also nicely collides with um, the potential mean threshold of today's candle body, which we will become yesterday's candle body tomorrow, right? So that is that. Now, interestingly, if we contrast these charts with Aussie, yes, we went higher to go lower. I think, yeah, probably they will want to target here and here, but it does not look as weak as New Zealand and cable. So this is important to note. And also euro, this is no man's land. So we don't want to touch it on the lower time frame. We don't want to have any sort of labeling here because just yeah, it just save. Let's save this. There's nothing here. If anything, we are preferring downside. But again, I'm not sold. So actually, we can remove this because we know the time zones by heart. And so we will not touch Aussie and Euro tomorrow. Um, and that's it. We have some other additional charts also, but it's too much work to review everything. But as an additional, we can mark up actually USD CAD as bullish. So if we just have a quick look on USD CAD, um, with today's candle price action, actually this is a 1 hour OB here. That pushed the price up, and I like the relative equal highs here. So I like any retracement of this candle's wick. Sorry, yeah, from high to high of this candle's wick. So we actually set, let's set the alert here, and because we want to see some pullback. But the target is here. It's a double top here, and after that, we don't know how far it's going to run. And tomorrow is Friday, but this is our target run. So that's that. We can see if it lines up with anything. I'll say on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 5:50. Don't really see any fair value gaps. It's difficult to. Maybe on the M5 we will see something interesting, but not really. So we'll just keep this level, this alert, and just see if we do want to come down in fact. But yeah, we can see that the 1 hour will be here. Nicely pushed the price up. We came down for internal range liquidity, so to me it makes sense now if it wants to push, take out these equal highs. Actually, I like this, so we'll move it to here. If it comes all the way down here, this is quite deep retracement, but we will highlight it just for the sake of completeness. So this would be a bullish further gap, but let's see what we get, so we can take this onto the lower time frames. So let's see. Could be long after stop hunt, yeah, but it did not come all the way down. There was enough liquidity here to push it higher, so we can remove this. Put these things on the chart. Yeah, so important, of course. Yeah, the target here also, and the target here in pounds, and the target in New Zealand. That's it.